Our swing set consists of this GTS friend, then 2 sets of distance rings, so 4 rings, and a static support. In the beginning we want the static support and the beam very close to the tree, because the GTS friend cannot take that much load, especially in softwood. So go close to the tree, avoid large lever arms. So you will put, for example, 2 of the small distance rings here and the 2 big ones here, static support in between. The good thing is that when the tree is growing, it will swallow those small distance rings throughout the years, and you can observe it, and then you can remove the outer distance rings piece by piece and put out your static support. So the swing set will grow with your tree and the tree won't be damaged. The next thing we want to make sure is that the static support and the beam, when swinging, they don't go forth and back like. So all the distance rings and the static support, they have a total length of 15.5 centimeter. So we want to measure here that the shaft looks out of the tree 15.5, better a little bit less, 15 centimeter. Now we have around 16 centimeter. So we turn it in a little bit more. Okay, that's fine. So that was pretty easy, I'd say. If you want to do advanced stuff and build a real treehouse in the tree, then check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, see you soon.
Huggity boo!